Hello friend, in this video we will discuss the palette command, resize and how to copy and paste the geometry. So let's start. First of all, select the working directory and say OK. Go to new. Here select the part and give the part file name and uncheck the use default template because defaultly it is in inches. So uncheck this one and select the required unit. Here I am selecting MMNS part solid and say OK. So sketch, select the plane. Here I am selecting front plane. So and sketch to view proper, select the sketch view. So here you can see that the palette group, you will get some standard geometry or previously created geometry in the palette area. Clicking on the palette, so here you can see that the polygon tab is defaultly open. Like you can use triangle, square, pentagon. Now here you can see that with cursor the plus symbol is added. It indicates that you can place the hexagon. Suppose I am clicking here, so the hexagon is placed here. So in this way you can create. Here you can see that this one is the scale area. This one is the scale area. You can scale here, but now here I am placing only here the hexagon. So firstly I am placing here hexagon. Here there is no need of that scaling, but if you have the previous sketches, so at that time you must scale properly one by one. You can angle here. Suppose here you can rotate the geometry like this as per your requirement. So now I am clicking here OK. As per your requirement you can give the dimension. So like click on dimension and select this line. I am selecting this line, middle mouse button. So here it is showing that this dimension is already exists, so I don't want this one, so delete it. Suppose I want 8 side, double click and press and drag the icon in the screen and click here. Suppose if you want, here are the some profile, C section, I profile is there, L profile is there, like this T profile is there. Suppose you want L profile, so double click on that L profile, drag to the screen and here you can place like this. So you can scale here because here already we have this geometry, so we can scale like this so that you will understand. And you can dimension here as per your requirement. In a shape there are some arc, racetrack, cross, rounded rectangle. Double click on the rounded rectangle and drag to screen and place like this. You can double click on the racetrack and drag to screen and place here, but I require this one at an angle, so here it is, I am giving 45 here. So like this it will create it, or else you can drag here. So select the vertex CSYS, you can drag like this, you can place where you want. So press the left mouse button and drag like this. You can rotate from here also like this. In this way we can use the some standard sketches or some standard geometry we can use from the palette command. So it will help to minimize the time required for repetitive sketches. I am creating here flange. So as you can see that I have created here one flange profile. So I am using this flange profile repeatedly. I am using this profile. So what we can do that, so firstly sketch this flange profile, one common flange profile, and in a sketch mode only you can directly save the sketch. So in a working directory, here we have selected the exercise working directory. Here you can directly save the sketch. Now the sketch is saved in the working directory, or in next way you can do that, go to file, save and save a copy. Like this you can give the new name also to the sketch. So here I am giving flange. Here we have already saved this one, and nextly I am with the new name I am saving with the flange. So here the flange is saved. Now while working, now I want the flange profile. Repeatedly I am using, so directly we can call it from the palette command. Now here you can see that the working with the name of working directory tab, here it is showing. So here you can see that the flange and s2d01 is showing here. So you can directly use that the saved sketches from the palette. So double click on the flange and press the left mouse button and drag to the screen and click here where you want to place. Like this you can drag from here also and simply you can scale here 1. So with the same dimension, if you select one scale with the same dimension, it will create. So repaint here, these are the dimension, and I'm double clicking here and drag to the screen this one. If I select sketch half 0.5, and now you can see that the all dimensions are halved. Suppose now I have placed the flange profile here, and suppose you want to reorient or to move somewhere this profile. So for that, select the all geometry, or you can select individual. Now the rotate and resize command is highlighted. So with the help of this you can translate, rotate and scale the selected entity. So here I am selecting here. So like this window is showing here. So you can rotate by using this one, or you can directly give the value from here also, or else you can translate. Suppose if you want to translate here like this, you can click and drag. So here I want at 200. So like this you can rotate and resize. Suppose you want double dimension, so here like this you can do. So simply say OK. Here in the select group, you can select one entity like this, or you can select the chain entity, that is from first entity and the last entity, in between all the entity it is selected. So in all geometry I am selecting here all geometry and deleted. So this one is for selection purpose only. If you select all, the reference also selected, and you can delete here. We can copy the complete geometry and paste, so it will reduces the time. So directly if you want this geometry, so directly so select all geometry and say copy here, or you can directly say Ctrl C, paste. Here plus symbol is added with the cursor, so here I am placing this one. So like this you can copy and paste the geometry. And suppose I want the geometry in a next feature, so I am creating here new feature, selecting front plane, sketch view. Here also you can paste the sketch like this, because we already copied this one sketch. Here you have to paste the sketch only. So like here you can select the scale 1:1, because we need the same dimension. For that purpose we have to give the 1:1 scale and select the OK. And now here I want to place at the middle, so select the and resize here, resize, and here I want to place this one and say OK. Like this you can use the copy paste command. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. It will motivate me to create the new videos.